मुफासा और सिम्बा नहीं रहे, अब मैं ही तुम्हारा महाराजा हूँ।
देखे तो क्या बोल रही है पब्लिक, ये तो शेर है। अरे ये तो शेर है, भाग भाग बुम्बे भाग, लाइफ के लग गए बुम्बे।
मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ रहूंगा मेरे सिम्बा।
The jadoo that was created by Lion King was incredible.
जिंदगी बड़ी जालिम है ना मेरी जान?
I remember being floored by the film. Never would have imagined that I would be one day voicing a character from that. So awesome feeling. It's
पहला ही था मैं, भूल गए क्या हमारे अनमोल राजकुमार के आने तक।
There's a lot of detailing in the character of Scar. When you're voicing such a character, then it's very interesting to work out the layers of the character. It's a very human emotion which is there in Scar. It was challenging when you are voicing a live action because the animals' faces, they're very different, they're very restrained, and in that we have to give emotion and enliven it.
ये मेरी हुकूमत है, हक है मेरा।
As far as the Hindi version is concerned, we have really Indianized it, given it a flavor which speaks the language which people can relate to.
मुफासा और सिम्बा नहीं रहे, अब मैं ही तुम्हारा महाराजा हूँ।
Lion King, not just for me, I think for thousands and lakhs of people all around the world, must be one of the favorite films that they've enjoyed with their family, with their kids.
जहां तक सूरज की रोशनी फैली है, हमारा साम्राज्य है।
Lion King was very special because one, it didn't have a human being in it. Especially and to love a film which is based on relationships between a father and son. At least I hadn't seen any, so that was very special. Hugely beautifully shot. When all the animals come, Simba is picked up by Rafiki, and you get hooked onto the film from there on. So somewhere down the line, the film or the story reflects that it's nicer to listen to your parents and understand the deeper meaning of what they're saying to you, and enjoy it with them while the time lasts. So when we did Incredibles, I think Aryan was about 9 years old, and it was very sweet to hear his voice. And even now, years later, when I'm doing it for Lion King, for me it's an amazing bonding time with Aryan. There will be times in the film, or all the time in the film, you'll never think these are not real animals, so to say. This is not a lion, this is not a giraffe, this is not a cheetah, this is not a hyena. So the VFX, the magnitude of the film, the scale, the sound design, and everything, it's shockingly unexpected that, oh, this is so real, we never thought it could become so real. I think one of the leading factors of Disney being Disney is the fact that they stick to what they think their cinema should be. And I think having that such a single-mindedness purpose for making cinema that you can enjoy with your family is what makes it so successful.
मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ रहूंगा मेरे सिम्बा।
अरे ये शेर नहीं हो सकता, चल अपन देख के बता दे। चले हवा आने दे, देखे तो क्या बोल रही है पब्लिक, ये तो शेर है। अरे ये तो शेर है, भाग भाग बुम्बे भाग, लाइफ के लग गए बुम्बे।
Well, the first thing that comes to your mind when you say Disney is pure entertainment.
चलो सब लोग अभी रिलैक्स में रहो, भाई लोग आ गए ले।
The story is so beautiful, and it's got all these ingredients. It's very heavy on emotions, in fact. And Timon and Pumbaa seem to be these two relief characters in the film. But otherwise, the story is what really connects with you. Timon tends to be one's favorite because Timon is this sweet little guy, very witty, comes up with some weirdest of one-liners that he has in his dialogues. I think the best part was when I was asked to sing Never Ever Forget in my... वो बताओ भाई ट्विटर पे कैसा लगा?
ये लाल टपकाते छपरी लोग से बचने का क्या आइडिया है भाई? अपुन के साथ रहने का ना भाई, तो अपुन के जैसा खाने का.
Disney's The Lion King.
I'm very excited. Pumbaa, I'm doing wah 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 wah. In '94, I never expect कि मुझे कभी इस फिल्म से मैं कभी रिलेट हो पाऊंगा एंड कभी सेकंड वर्जन भी बनेगा इसका. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. अपने को मांगता है एक मोटा भरा पूरा मस्त बॉडी. तुम सब मेरे को क्यों देख रहे हो? Best part of the film is the bonding between father and son, and अच्छे लोग and बुरे लोग, and of course the music, Hakuna Matata. And उस समय मैंने सीडी खरीदा था इस फिल्म का म्यूजिक का. It's very nice, very nice.
यार अच्छी आइडिया है. भूखा लोग ताजा मांस देखते ही बैठ जाएंगे.
The first scene in this where Timon and Pumbaa first time saw Simba. Best thing about Lion King, the positivity. तो वो सीन से ही वो उस सिम्बा का टेक केयर एज अ फ्रेंड, एज अ गार्जियन, सब कुछ. सो आई लव दैट सीन.
तेरे को लगा ये मर गया, अपुन को लगा अपुन ही मर गया.
जब से मैंने इस फिल्म की डबिंग की है, मैं ऐसे ही बोलने लग गया थोड़े दिनों तक. आई क्या भाई ऐसा नहीं चलेगा क्या? रैपचिक आइडिया है. आई नेवर टॉक लाइक दिस बट पुम्बा टॉट मी रैपचिक आइडिया.
भाई लोग आ गए क्या? अपन बैकअप, दुश्मन बैकअप.
दिस इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. किसी भी डायरेक्टर ने मुझे बर्ड का रोल ऑफर नहीं किया.
बज गई खतरे की घंटी. शायद कोई आ रहा है. ओह रुको, जाने दो, ये तो मेरी ही परछाई है भाई.
When I started dubbing, it was so fascinating that it was something new experience I had never done before. And rather I was surprised कि मुझे कैसे select किया as a Jazu, a bird. And I think dubbing was quite a good matching experience for me. तो ये क्या है? ये देख के मैं चौंक गया. But then I said, देखते हैं कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. I didn't know. But then when we started, when they explained to me कि the कहानी, what is the story? So I just thought that this bird is a human being. So luckily that matched, and it has come out to be a very fascinating character. Oh, Jazu style.
परिंदों के सूसू से तालाब गीला है.
Come and see Lion King, because Lion King is lion and children, and I'm running after this lion everywhere, wherever I get a mauka. I really enjoy. So please come and enjoy. Okay? Okay, Jazu going. Bye.
यहाँ रहते हो?
भाई लोग का जिधर मन करे उधर रहते.
जो मन करे वही करते.
अपुन के साथ रहने का ना भाई, तो अपुन के जैसा खाने का.
गीला भी
एकदम कड़क भी.
यहाँ का लोकल आइटम
एकदम फ्रेश.
भर भर के मिलेगा.